as a society, as a civic society म्हणूया किंवा as voters,
Yes.
we have failed to become an effective pressure group on our MLAs after electing them to power or electing them in the assembly. अशें दिसता तुमकां की जो एक प्रेशर ग्रुप म्हणून आमी काम करपा जाय आमी कमी पडल्यात.
That is where we as a society have failed. We have failed that we have come to expect that we will get something from our elected leaders.
Yeah.
We expect that whenever any leader enters our constituency, we'll make a demand from him. अरे आमके देवळा पैसे दी, आम चर्ची पैसे दी, फुटबॉला पैसे दी, एक पैसे दी. Now you are generating, you are asking them to bring money.
Yeah.
And from where is he going to bring the money? Okay. So he is tempted, okay, out because he has no means to
Finance that.
finance the. So he must generate it.
Yeah.
So this is where we have gone wrong. I don't say that this is going to end completely because it's a pan in the phenomenon.